Sexy Man, what are you doing on eBay? Exactly. Really? Come on.
What do you think I'm doing? Oh my god, no. Ew. Whoa! Stupid eBay. What? Fuck off.
They're pink. Oh my god.
It's a Hikaru doll! I want one. Can I have one? Xemnas, can I have one?
Where is my house is a wreck. Oh well. Oh, that's right. We don't allow him in here because he's evil.
Who?
Xemnas.
Oh yeah.
Sexy on it, man. Sexy in energy.
Fuck you.
K-I-S-I-N-G.
Don't make me go there. Don't make me go there.
Don't.
Music soundtrack. Music soundtrack. Mine.
You can already tell that she has a Ouran High School Host Club fetish. Major fetish.
But you can't find their music on LimeWire. Fuck my life.
Ask Zigbar, because I ain't going there. Creeper.
Why would I want to ask Zigbar?
Because he'd literally fuck your life.
Yeah. You should know. Ow.
I don't like idiots. You're being one.
That's why she's the one with the anger problem.
It's running out of battery. No!
Good.
No!
Good.
Well, that just means I can piss you off as soon as you start to talk.